English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 4.
A quarter. A third. A half. 3/5. 1.5.
0.5. 0.5. 0.5. 1.7. 3.97.
1%. 99%. 55.5%.
3/4. 30%. 0.75. 0.75. 0.75. An eighth. 1/8. 82%. 2.9. 3.5.
And now the highlights from today's Athletics Championship. Australia's Jerry Smith beat the world 400 metres record by 1.5 seconds. Kenya's Kamau Buru won silver in the 400 metres, with a time of 43.4 seconds. Kenya now holds 50% of the long-distance medals. China's Su Qin won the women's high jump with an incredible jump of 2.05 metres. Although the Millennium Stadium was only 3/4 full today, spectators were thrilled to see Lorna Davis win the women's long jump with a jump of 7.12 metres, and John Wood win the 800 metres by 2.75 seconds.
Ed Lee jumped 8.96 metres in the long jump. Tony Elliott was just 30 centimetres behind Lee. Jessie Cope ran the 100 metres in 9.6 seconds. This was 2/3 of a second faster than his last race. Jenny O'Day ran the 100 metres in 10.2 seconds. The US currently holds 19% of the medals.